In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domain's DNS settings on Wix. Now this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down step by step, making it as simple as possible for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, the key to starting this process is logging into your Wix account. Make sure you're using a reliable web browser like Chrome for the best experience. Once you're on the Wix website, just enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it using the Forgot Password link. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is your control center for all things related to your Wix websites. From the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This area is specifically designed to manage everything related to your domains, from registration to DNS settings. Click on Domains, and it will take you to a list of domains that you've already registered or linked with your Wix account. You'll need to select the domain you want to manage. If you're managing multiple domains, make sure you pick the right one, as changes to DNS settings can affect where your domain points to on the web. Once you've selected your domain, find the Advanced DNS Settings option and click on it. This is where the magic happens, and you have the ability to edit your domain's DNS records. Now, in this section, you'll see options for A records, CNAME records, and potentially other types of DNS entries. These records are like the address book of the internet, telling web traffic where to go when someone types in your domain name. If your goal is to point your domain to a different server or web host, you might need to edit the A records. Updating the CNAME records could be essential for linking subdomains or setting up services like a professional email. Make sure you know exactly which records you need to modify based on your specific requirements. Accuracy is key here, as incorrect DNS settings can lead to issues with your website accessibility or email routing. After you've made the necessary changes, be sure to save them. Once saved, keep in mind that DNS changes aren't always instantaneous. They require some time to propagate across the internet, which can take up to 48 hours. During this time, it's completely normal for your website or services to behave unpredictably, so a little patience goes a long way. That brings us to the end of this walkthrough. Hopefully you've gained a clearer understanding of how to manage your DNS settings on Wix. Whether you're building a new site or restructuring your existing one, understanding DNS management can significantly enhance your web presence. If you have any questions or run